Guys, it's me, Epic Brothers Fun House. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a Lego puzzle box. So let's open it up. So this is the Lego puzzle box. So let's make it. So I get this over here. I need this. I'll put it right here. And I'll show you how to make it. You'll need this. You'll put it right here. And then you get this. You put it right here. You'll get this. You'll put it right there. You'll get this. You'll put it right there. You'll get this. You can put it right here. You'll get this. Put it right there and then last. Put it right there. So that's how you solve it. I'll show you how to make it. So let's start. So you'll have to make this 8 by 8 plate. Then you put these things, these all around, and then you put slides pieces. And then you put these two over here, and you put another slide piece. So that's how you build it. Wait, let me just show you. That's what I mean. So like, you get an 8 by 8. Something. Yeah, you just, like, yeah. So when you build this, put it aside for later. And now, I'll show you how to make this. So let's start. So this is how you make it. You get this. You get the spike. You attach it on. You'll make 2 of them. Same size. And then now let's make this. You'll get this slide piece. You'll get this. You attach it on like that. And then you'll get this 4 by 4 and a spike. Attach it on like that. So like that. You put this one over here. You'll put this one over here like that. Get your thing that you made, and you put it like that. And now, I'll show you how to make this. So I get a spike. I'll get this. And you'll get another one. Like that. You got your thing that you made. You put it on like that. So now, let's make this. So I get this 2 by 2. You'll get this. You attach it on. And then you'll get this spike. Attach it on. Get your thing that you made. You put it over here. Now we'll make this. You get this too. You get this. And you get 2 spikes. Attach it on. And then you get a bead like that. And then you get this. And then you get that. Attach it on. And then this. Attach it on. So now it's this. And get your thing that you made. You put it on like that. Now let's make this. So you'll need this. Then you get a spike. You attach it on. And you get this. And you get your thing that you made. Attach it on like that. And then you get your another spike. You attach it on. So now you get your thing that you made. You attach it over there. Like that. And now I'll show you how to make this. So you want me to make this first? So you'll need this 4x4, and then you'll need another 4x4, but I couldn't find it, so I used a 3x3 and a bead. You attach it on like that. Then you get a 4x4 slide piece. You attach it on. So you'll take this, and then that. So yeah, and then you get your thing that you made, attach it on. Now you get this, you put it over here, like that. So now we'll make this. You get this and another one, attach it on, and then get a spike, attach it on. Over here, 2 more things. You get a bead and a spike, attach it on. You get another bead, and then you get this, attach it on. Put it over here. And now you get this, then you get this, attach it on, and then this. And please subscribe to Epic Brothers Fun. Wait. I didn't stick it on that, so yeah. So yeah. So this is how to make it. Please subscribe to Epic Brothers Fun. And yeah, you can make your D-lid by yourself. And see you next time. And please like and subscribe to Epic Brothers Fun. So, bye.